That's the bird lady.
Who goes to Best Buy to feed the birds?
We are in the Best Buy parking lot. She just fed all the seagulls. I think she's done. She had a very large bagel. Oh, wait, she... Oh. How do you zoom more? How do you zoom more?
You gotta do it before you press record.
She has a whole bag now. She has a whole bag. It's by her feet.
Can you still get it?
I see the bag a little bit. Oh, there it is. Ah! I got scared. I moved off of her.
Throw it up in the air. She's feeding the concrete.
I think they're full.
How do birds get sick of you?
They're full.
Usually, don't you just get sick of feeding them?
They're flying off. They're either full or they don't like that bread. She just threw out a good couple handfuls of bread. Like, someone has to sweep that up in the morning from inventory. Okay, they're back.
She's persistent, ain't she?
Oh wow, they're deep. Oh wow. Oh, it's a little close. Hey, don't get loud.
A lot of shit on my car. She couldn't go to the park though. He running down the street.
Yeah, this is the Best Buy parking lot. The one me and Shanita just visited. And feeding time is going down.
Mine? Oh.
Apparently, they're not impressed.
Oh. You're not responding very well to her. You know what? At least she's happy though. She's a very cute old lady.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure that perseverance has gotten her through.
Uh-oh. Here they come.
Look at this shit.